Ah dear, me sit down and wait upon you. Me tell you if you come and link me, cause me want to go over by the GI. Yeah, you know the picturegram place. Fit come here about the giveaway and same thing over there. Yeah, cause the lady um down at the shop, Eddie, doing some kind of remittance, and me look up here, and he say some money sent in payment as a gift. Yeah, so what a money that go give away over there, and me tell you if you link me and you know come. You bad man like the rest of the people them on social media. What always trouble people. Yeah, you know me feel like tell you some, you know. You see, feel like cost you, because you make me miss out, yeah. Cause me coulda get some of them money there. You go over there and I bet it's me here, your name called too. You get money. Yeah. Welcome, my beautiful people. Yeah, me just come to put me 2 cents in this, yes. You know, for man have to come with the positive news them. Yeah, we don't like to just just live on the negativity. We like positivity. Yeah. Not just mix up things we want to come with. Sometimes we like to talk positive things. Yes, so me see where the lady get new contract with a big company. Yeah. Big company that, yes, been around for donkeys years. And at the bank there my mother used to bank with. Yes, it's all over all about international. Yeah, so I know it's a big company. Yeah, so well done, I'm gonna say to the lady down the shop. Yeah, AD for yeah. And what I like was the giveaways and the young lad. Yeah, the young lad that's doing all the good work. Yeah, the intelligent, bright young lad. Yeah, he got quite a lot of got some donation towards his project. Yes, so that was really really good to see. Yeah, so all the positive, the negative things, turn around to positive. Yeah, for the late for AD. No matter how the enemy try to bring her down. Yeah, things turn around. Yeah, for good. Yes, yeah. When certain people come out and try to bring people down, it turn off. You know what? Bad turn into good. Yes, and I know the young that somebody was people were posting all these the pictures as well. There's something else I want to talk about, just touch upon about the posting on people posted on their pages about the young girl that was abducted, that went missing. Yeah. Um but me see something where they're saying something, police warn against false social media posting regarding the murder of the young the 8-year-old Daniel Rowe. Yeah, so that just shows you really about people were saying that certain people should put these things on their platform and all them things there, but it shows you really that what you put out there sometimes. Fair enough, I know Andrea Stevenson put in post in those things, but yeah, that's what his platform. That's what him doing in platform. Yeah, so it's different for Andre when our other platform that reads the news and so forth. But when you're doing different things and then you do, and you're gonna put up things on your platform, and certain things got to be researched in a certain way. I'm not talking about that because that was put out anyway out there. I'm not sure who put it out there first or how it go, but I think it came from the police force, from what I gathered. But obviously, it's not the person. Somebody said that person is calling for an Andrea platform and say, I know them. So, you know, we have to be careful, and the lady has to be careful as well, because she lives in Jamaica, and you know, when it comes to politics and certain things, you can put yourself, put yourself out there and put yourself at risk. You know, think about your personal safety and your family and so on and so on. So I just that, I was just coming to say I did like to see that movement here, with the giveaways and all that with the company, yeah. So big things going on here for the lady, yeah, for AD, yeah. So big up yourself, yeah. And Fireman don't talk, and she's out.